here we go, Jensen Healey for restoration. I've had it quite a few years, never got round to sorting out the problems with it. Quite a good condition, considering it's been beat about and messed with. It's running, sort of. I started stripping it down. It's supposed to be blue, as you can see. Took the lights out. For some reason a bodge spray job a long time ago. Bad repairs on it, very bad repairs. That's one example. Cut all that out and redo that. Started stripping the inside out. There's the colour she's supposed to be. I say it is running, but very rough at the moment. Got the original wheels. Lots of work, but they're getting quite rare these days. And it comes from West Bromwich in the Midlands too. Proper Brummy car. So there we go. Anybody knows the colour of this car? Not red, I know that. The blue, Jensen blue. I've tried to research it. And Jensen made quite a few unknown blues. But if you had come across the same sort of problem, matching up the paint, to sort of that blue. Look, they've even painted the doors with a brush. Wow, crazy. Quite solid, really. Very rusty. Got to do all the rust there and retrim it. New carpets, door cards. There's something with the back window too. But there we go anyway. So there we go. It's a little bit of a project in my spare time, which I don't get much of. But as I say, if anybody can help me out with a paint colour, that would be very much appreciated, lads and lassies, if there are any lasses out there into this sort of thing. Here we go. Jensen Healey 1973 for restoration.